Hello friends, welcome to Himalaya Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to make another video, a very beautiful topic, the power of your mind. Because lots of people asking me because I have a clients all over the world, and nowadays they are asking me how you can do that, how you can able to transmit the energies to others, because I'm so far, 8,000 miles, 10,000 miles, 2,000 miles away, and how you are able to transmit your lots of different types of healing, curing, and meditative energies through the technologies. So that's why I'm making this video to clear some topics on it. So, but I'll try to make a short video. I will give you just hints, but it will be very beneficial for you if you do practice. So the power of the mind is very powerful organ in the human body, and the most beautiful thing is your mind really don't know about anything. Just like the mind is all about neutral, because when we born we are naked on earth. Why we are naked? Because God want to tell us something in a very mysterious way. And what is the mystery behind why we born naked? Even not us, every creature is born naked on earth. There is a reason, because God wants to tell us, you are not naked, my son. I already given you clothes on your soul, because you are not body, you are the soul. That's why I already given you clothes. You are not naked. But when you born on earth, our parents, family, friends, siblings, society, everybody start programming us. What? You are body. They give us name, the name of the body. And we start believing because of the daily practice and because of their programming every day, every single second, every hour, we start accepting we are body. So we forget everything what is the reality. So here we start the power of the mind, because our mind was neutral when we were born. We were just like a plain paper. But our family, society, friends, everybody start writing on it and start programming us. But when you realize, when you think a little bit about it, what I'm sharing with you right now, even scientifically it's proved. Your mind don't know about anything. Whatever you feed in your mind start accepting, and it's become your habit, and you start following that pattern in your whole life till the end of your life, and you leave your body. Because body cannot do anything. If you see a dead body, the body cannot do anything without the power. Body cannot, the ears cannot listen, the eyes cannot see, the nose cannot smell. Even I am not able to speak, the body cannot able to speak. Means even you are not able to feel the skin, the senses. It means body is nothing without the reality, without the power, without the soul, without us, without I, the reality. So when you transfer your power in the body, then your eyes start seeing it, then your ears start listening, then your nose start smelling something, when your tongue start tasting and talking your throat, and your skin start feeling it. These are the senses. So the power of the mind, what I used last so many years, I'm practicing on it. That's why there is no magic. When you do practice, the magic starts with the dedication, with the passion. Lots of people around me also, last so many years they are with me, and continuously I'm teaching and giving knowledge, information about, but they do nothing. That's why they are not getting anything in their life. When they watch these videos, so they will understand with whom I'm talking about. Lots of people around me. I give my lots of time to those people, but they are not able to do anything. Actually, they want something, but they don't want to do. They have a lots of excuses, just like everybody has. So they have lots of excuses. So the power of the mind is to start feeding what you wanted in your life. Just like right now, everybody start telling you something. What? Your mother start telling you something, your father. If you have siblings, your brother and sister, they tell you something. your teachers, they tell you something, the society, the friends, everybody start telling you something about the duality. Duality means right and wrong, day and night, good and bad. You can do this, you cannot do this, you can go there, you cannot go there. This kind of a duality that everybody teach in the society. So we start forgetting what we are doing here. Everybody try to control us. Everybody, rituals, religions, communities, cultures, every single thing on earth based on to try to control the human mind and human nature, the habit. But some souls try to go out, doing here. When you start controlling your mind, right now mind is controlling you. Whenever you feel lust, you try to go sex. Whenever you feel thirsty, you just start drinking water and whatever it is. When you start feeling hungry, you start taking something food, the hard things. So it means right now the mind is playing with you because you allow to your mind. But with the practice, with the daily practice, that doesn't mean you doing yoga, pranayama, meditation. I'm not talking about those practices. The practice is all about to controlling in which field you are, it doesn't matter. Whatever you are doing in your life, even in the materialistic world or in the spiritual world. If you want to control the mind, you need a dedication, daily practice and control on your senses. Then, and after the long practice, then you will see you are able to transmit your emotions, your feelings, your desires and your pure energies to others. You will get magnetic energies in your life. But without practice, it's not possible. There is no magic nobody can do in their life. Nobody can, not even the God. Nobody. If you will not do something for yourself, the nature will not help you, the universe will not help you. So it means you are the reason of your happiness. You are the reason to create something better life in your life. You can manifest your life itself. You don't need to depend on others. But why we depend? We are so lazy. We want without hard work. That's why, we are dependent on others. Lots of people come to me every day. They call me, they text me, they want to attach with me. Why? Because they want something in their life through me. And sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Because I don't want to make them lazy in their life. I always teach them, do something in your life better. Do something better, do hard work, follow my steps and see changes in your life. I don't want you to be depend on me. And even I don't want you to be depend on others also. I want you to be independent. I teach lots of techniques and methods to people. But nowadays people talking about black magic, black magic. They want magic something to do something in the Kali Yuga. So they can get something fast in your life, to manifest something very fast. They want money, materialistic pleasures. They are focusing on it. You can attain, there is no problem in it. But you have to practice the right, you have to train your mind. If you think even a single second of a negative, you taking a poison inside you. And there is a research. If you think 1 minute of a negative, it will the researchers found the poison in the blood. So that's why to train your mind to be positive all the time in all the situation, because every situation is temporary in your life. Every situation is temporary. And you know that everything is changing around you and inside you, except your reality, that is your soul. It remains same till the end of your body. Your body is changing continuously. Your situation is changing. Your emotions changing. Your feelings, your desires, everything is changing inside you. But you are unstable. You are not focused. That's why you are not able to see these changes. But when you just silent yourself, just try to observe your life. When you born until now, you will see lots of changes. Everything is changing around me. People's, friends, everybody. Education, schools, universities, places, countries. Everything is just changing. Why? Because it's unstable. It's a part of the illusion. And I train myself to stick on one thing, on a reality, continuously every day with the focus practice. With the help of my divine teacher, with the grace of my divine teachers, I practice on one thing. That's why I'm able to transmit the energies through the technologies so far. And you can do also. But you need to learn, because this is an information video. That's why I'm just sharing the information, how it happens in your life, how you can change it. But people feeling bored, they don't have time, they have lots of excuses in their life. I do lots of work, I don't have time, I cannot wake up early in the morning, I sleep so late, I have bad habits of eating, drinking. They have lots of reasons they tell me, and I laugh inside. Sometimes I laugh like this, and sometimes I think, oh my God, they are talking like a child in front of me. And you don't want to manifest your life. If you really want to manifest your life, you can. Nobody can stop you. Just mark my word. Nobody can stop you if you really want to manifest your life. If you want to attain the self-realization, you can. And the billion of people already achieved that for me. That's why you will be, and you can. But you have to learn that art, how to control the mind, what kind of practice I need to do. But you need to be passionate and dedicated in your life. Then you can shine different. Then you can shine like a sun. Now you're shining, but like a star. But you can shine like a sun. If you want to shine like a sun, you have to work hard in your life, dedicatedly. You have to sacrifice in your life, and then you can control the mind. And then mind cannot play with you. You can play with your mind. You can guide, you can divert your mind to your thoughts, and everything will be changed in your life. I hope it's a sufficient information through my video to the power of the mind and how to change and manifest. But I cannot share the practices here. If you really want to learn those manifestation practices, how to control the mind, how to increase the power of the mind, then you have to learn with me under the guidance, or with anyone else, wherever you can trust, wherever you feel they can teach you, but under the guidance, because that is most important. They have to follow your daily steps like a baby, just like parents do, step by step. You start crawling, then you start walking, and one day you run. But keep moving in your life in a right way, on a right path, and one day you will achieve your destination, your goal, the self-realization, the divine happiness and peace permanently, not temporary. Everything is temporary right now in your life because you're working on the temporary things. But when you start working on the permanent things, you will see everything is changing in your life, and your life is so blissful, and you have a magnetic energy to control everything. Everything I'm talking about. But it's a long practice, the practice till the end of your life. If you are ready, then come to me and I'll show you those practices, and definitely you can change your life. I'm not here to say you that I will change your life. You will change your life. I will just guide you. Whatever I had, whatever I learned in my life with my practical mistakes and experiences, whatever I get in my very long journey. So enjoy your life and enjoy the day, and keep spreading love of humanity and unite us in a one thread, because everything is going to change in a future. So get ready for the change and keep practice truth in your life. Keep follow Himalayan Shakti Tantra. Take care.